Whoa. What the heck was that?
Here, kiddo. Here's your mail.
I wonder what this is. Oh. Okay. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Well. This is pretty interesting. Also, why do I have to work at 12 a.m.? Yes, what do you want? What? I'm not listening to you anymore. I don't even know what you're saying. What? Who's there?
It is I, Springtrap.
Bro, you look like an idiot.
Bro, why did you roast me for no reason?
Because I felt like it. What is that noise?
Oh, that's the sound of Phantom Mangle gargling. It's very annoying, isn't it?
Hey Springtrap, stop hating on the noise I make.
But that sound is so annoying, it literally wakes me up every time I'm sleeping. You need to stop it. Anyways.
I'm just gonna ignore you because you're so cringe.
Hey, you do not ignore me, you little—
I want some sausages for lunch.
Phantom Mangle.
What?
You're an idiot. Oh my goodness, please stop that, my ears are bleeding.
Hey guys, it's literally 6 a.m. Look at the time. Well, that was sure a weird night. Hey. What's this letter doing here? Well, at least I don't have to work at that place anymore.